guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to create this look, but the main focus for this video will be how to create a long lasting makeup for oily skin type. So without further ado, let's go. As you guys can see, I have a lot of oil on my face and I did not use any oil. Okay, this is my face after using a moisturizer. This is the condition after 3 hours. So I'm just gonna take a matte primer and you can see in real time how much of a difference it makes. It's a very beautiful matte primer actually. It instantly makes your face mattifying and you can see in a bit how much of a beautiful finish it gives, and it fills your pores as well, which I like. Now for a foundation, I'm taking Huda Beauty 4 Filtered Foundation. This is the previous version. Now they have launched another new version that has dewy finish. Although it has matte finish, it does oxidizes a lot, and if you are stepping out and you are not staying underneath AC, yes, this becomes dewy finish after 4 hours. So if you don't have heavy oily skin, then it's gonna be really fine, but if you have heavy oily skin like myself, then it will become dewy after 4 hours. I'm just gonna take a dab sponge and I'm gonna place it all across my face. Dabbing is the method that I genuinely follow for my everyday routine because I feel like sponge gave a very beautiful finish rather than using a brush. Now I'm taking this Iba Must Have Lip and Cheek Tint. I don't like to apply it on my lips, but I like to place it over on the apple of the cheeks with the help of my fingertips, and then I dab my sponge again. I'm just pressing the product. I'm not moving my sponge because if I do that, a little bit of foundation will move away. Now, irrespective of any skin type, anyone under the sun can try out a good cream blushes because it looks so youthful on the skin. Now to set my under eyes, I am taking this Faces Canada loose powder with the same beauty sponge, which is the damp sponge, and I am again pressing the powder against my under eyes. The more you press, the more it will get set and it will not budge or crease under your eyes. And also on the eyelid, I am pressing this color because I'm not gonna go for supremely heavy eye makeup today because I am showing you the base makeup here. During summertime, I just don't like to use a contour like a cream contour. So I'm gonna go for this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronze. It's a beautiful color for deeper skin tone, so definitely grab this one. This is pigmented, you don't need a lot of it, and I'm just taking an angled brush and I'm just contouring the hollows of the cheeks, sides of the nose, on the jawline just to cut my double chin, also hairline. Now I am taking the same loose powder and I am just placing the powder underneath bronzer just to make my bronzer look more chiseled on the hollows of the cheeks. I like this technique so much. And also I am pressing the powder over on the bridge of my nose and you can see how much of a difference it makes. If you have noticed, I did not apply any powdery product over on the cream blush, but cream blush definitely gonna crease after a certain amount of time, especially on heavy oily skin. So I just like to go on with a powder blush. I just roughly apply a little bit of blush over on the cream blush. After that, I'm gonna take this Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. It gives you a very healthy sort of a glow. I'm just applying it on the high perimeters of my face, and also to set the makeup during summertime, it's very important. During winter time, I skip this step. I'm taking the color bar fixing spray and I'm just gonna spritz it all over on my face. Before doing my brow, I just like to spoolie out so there is no tangles on my hair because I'm a hairy bear and I do get tangles. And I'm just taking an angle brush and packed brow pomade in the shade Walnut Wax to fill in my sparse areas. I'm not going for a very thick brow. I'm just filling in my sparse areas in some fine strokes, and then again I'm spooling it out. I'm not taking any extra product on the sponge. I'm just cleaning underneath my eyebrows and also over on the eyebrows so there is no darkness around my eyebrows. As I'm going for a very soft look, I am taking this Autumn Spice palette from the Nikake and I'm taking this deep brown shade with the help of a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just placing it on the outer 1/3 of my eyelid. I'm just creating a 4-wheel liner, but it's gonna be a little bit intimidating. As you guys can see, I'm also placing the color on the 1/3 of my lower lash line. Right now it's looking a little bit too much, but please trust the process and let's move ahead. I'm gonna take this beautiful shimmery shade and I'm gonna place it wherever I did not place any color. I'm not gonna cover the brown shade. I am just placing the shimmer where I did not apply the brown shade. I haven't taken any extra product, as you guys can see. I'm just blending the shimmer and the matte all together on the crease just to make sure that there is no harsh line on the edges. I'm gonna take this beautiful pastel pink shade and I'm gonna place it on the inner corner of my eyes, and it has a little bit of fallout which I'm gonna be removing. For that perfect airbrushed look, I'm just dabbing my sponge all across my face so there is no harsh edges. Try this technique, it's gonna give you a very beautiful airbrushed look. Coating my lashes with the Faces Canada All Time Pro Mascara. My lower waterline was wanting some little bit extra jazz, so that's why I'm gonna coat my waterline with this Lakme iconic Kajal. It's a bold black Kajal and I'm just placing it on the lower waterline. I'm using LA Colors matte liquid lipstick in the shade Smashing, and can I just tell you, it was my first time. As soon as I touched the color on my lips, I just knew that it's not my color. It was washing me off so badly, but I was wanting to have a very ashy brown sort of a shade, so that's why I purchased this specifically for this look. So I went ahead with an Inside Cosmetics warm brown shade. Then I went ahead with a gloss from ELF. After that, it became something which I genuinely needed. So yeah, that's it for this video, and this is my final finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon, and I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care. Bye.